Hello lovely! So for today's vlog, gagawin natin itong everyday makeup look. So kung gusto mong malaman kung paano ko to ginawa, just keep on watching!
So I'm using this Beauty Blaze Matte Foundation in the shade Ivory. I really love this foundation because it really fits on my skin color. I just bought this on Shopee. And now let's jump on blending. Make sure to blend well your foundation. Let's now jump on my favorite part, which is the browsing. So I'm using this EVERBILENA Pro Brow Duo. I really love this EVERBILENA Pro Brow Duo because it has brow powder to fill in the center of my brow. Now I'm using this EVERBILENA Concealer Stick in the shade Medium to remove the excess of my brows. Removing the excess is really important to make our brows clean. And after that, I'm using this EVERBILENA face powder in the shade Tan. Since this is only for my everyday makeup look, I'm using this CARELINE Oil Control Blush On in the shade Starlight Shine as my eyeshadow. To achieve shining, shimmering eyes, I use this CARELINE Beam Stick. It's up to you guys if you want to put shining, shimmering on your shadows. This is optional. I just blend my foundation powder that I put a while back. So for my under eye, I'm using this EVERBILENA Concealer Stick in the shade Medium. This is really helpful to cover our eye bags. So for my nose line, I'm using this EVERBILENA Scalp and Strobe Stick in the shade Medium. I will also use this later to contour my face. I just doubled my face powder. Again, I've used this CARELINE blush on that I've used
A few moments later.
And I'm done. This is my everyday makeup look. Hopefully you learned something from me. So if you haven't yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe and don't forget to click the notification bell for my upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching.